Hola, buenos días, mis estudiantes. ¿Cómo estás usted? Me llamo Eunice Cuevas, and today's video we are discussing about using capitalization in Spanish words. The rules of capitalizations, or el uso de mayúsculas in Spanish, are a bit different from English. In Spanish, the first letter of every sentence is capitalized, as is the first letter of all proper nouns, names of people, cities, countries, place, and etc. Example of this is, Me gusta el desierto de Atacama. In English is, I like the Atacama Desert. Next is the personal titles. Titles like Señor in English is Sir or Mr. Senora in English is Ma'am or Mrs. And Doctor in English are not in capitalized except when used as abbreviation. The abbreviation is S or that, like this. When a full title is used, Señor, it is written with lowercase letter. When an abbreviated title is used, Señor, it is written with an uppercase letter and a period at the end. When reading an abbreviated title like Señor aloud, you pronounce it like the full word. Next is the book titles. The first letters of the first in title of book, films, and work of art is generally capitalized. In Spanish, you do not capitalize every word in a title. You only capitalize the first word. For example, 100 años de soledad. In English, 100 years of solitude. Also, Los Miserables. Les Miserables. In terms of newspapers and magazine, in Spanish, you do capitalize each word in newspapers and magazine. Example, El País, Spanish newspapers. Also, Revista Semana, Colombian magazine. Also, in terms of time words and adjectives, unlike English, Spanish does not capitalize days of the week, month, languages, nationalities, religions, and the first word in geographical names. For example, hoy es viernes. Today is Friday. Also, hablo español. I speak Spanish. In terms of month, in febrero in Spanish, and in English is February. And also lunes, Monday. Lastly, holidays in Spanish. Religious festivals and national holidays are capitalized in Spanish. Example, hoy celebramos el Día de los Muertos. Today, we celebrate the Day of the Dead. That's why in Spanish, we do capitalize the word when it is in proper nouns, when the personal title is in abbreviated form, the first letter of the first word in the titles of the book, title of the newspaper and the magazine, and lastly, the holidays in Spanish. I hope you learned a lot with our discussion. Adios!